Bathed in golden sunlight, a vibrant meadow teems with wildflowers as Lily, a young girl with bright, curious eyes, wanders through it. Butterflies dance around her, the warm air filled with the sweet scent of blossoms. Lily's expression shifts to concern as she spots a small brown bird lying helpless on the ground, its wing twisted at an unnatural angle. Soft light fills Lily's cozy bedroom, casting a warm glow as she delicately tends to the injured bird. With tender hands, she cleanses the bird's wounded wing, her touch a soothing balm against its pain. Days melt into weeks as Lily nurtures the small creature, transforming her bedroom into a sanctuary of hope and healing. Weeks later, the meadow explodes with color as Lily cradles the healed bird, her expression a mix of hope and release. With a gentle toss, she sends the bird skyward. It hesitates, then bursts into flight, circling as if in gratitude. The bird glances back at Lily, a silent thank you echoing in the vast, open sky as it soars towards the horizon.